Eggs are one of those foods that almost everyone loves. Easy to make, affordable, and packed with nutrients. But here's the thing. The way you eat or cook your eggs could actually be harming your health without you realizing it, especially if you're over 50. In fact, some very common habits, like how you store, fry, or even pair your eggs, can quietly raise your cholesterol, upset your digestion, or even increase your risk for serious illness. Sound surprising? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enjoy eggs safely and get all their amazing health benefits without the risks. Eggs have been part of American breakfasts for generations, from sunny side up on Sunday mornings to quick scrambled eggs before work. They're packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals that older adults truly need. But there's a flip side to that sunny yolk. As we age, our metabolism slows down, our digestion changes, and our heart becomes more sensitive to what we eat. So even healthy foods, like eggs, need a little extra care. Eating them the wrong way might cause more harm than good. That's why in this video, we're going to look at 7 common egg mistakes that many people over 50 make and how to fix them easily. These are small tweaks, but they can make a big difference for your heart, your energy, and your overall well-being. Mistake number 1, eating undercooked or raw eggs. Let's start with a simple but serious one. Some people like their eggs soft or even slightly runny, and while that might taste great, undercooked eggs can carry bacteria like salmonella. For a young person, that might just mean a stomach upset. But for older adults, it can turn into dehydration or a dangerous infection. So here's the fix. Always make sure your eggs are fully cooked, both yolk and white. Scramble them until firm or boil them for at least 9 minutes. It's a small change that protects your health in a big way. Mistake number 2, overusing oil or butter when cooking. We all love that golden, crispy edge on a fried egg. But the truth is, frying eggs in too much oil or butter adds a lot of saturated fat. Not great for your heart or cholesterol levels. Here's a better way. Try using a non-stick pan and a small spray of olive oil, or even poach your eggs in water. You'll still get that delicious taste without the greasy guilt. One of my viewers, Mary from Ohio, told me she switched from butter to olive oil and noticed her energy levels improved within weeks. It's those small swaps that really add up. Mistake number 3, ignoring food safety and storage. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Eggs should always be stored in the refrigerator, not on the counter. In the US, eggs are washed before being sold, which removes their natural protective coating. That means bacteria can get in easily if they're left out. Make sure to keep your eggs at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, and don't use them past their expiration date. A simple trick? Float your egg in a bowl of water. If it sinks, it's fresh. If it floats, toss it. Your stomach will thank you later. Mistake number 4, eating too many yolks. Egg yolks contain healthy fats and nutrients like vitamin D and choline, great for your brain and bones. But they also contain cholesterol. While moderate egg consumption is fine, eating several yolks every day might not be ideal for those with heart issues. If your doctor has advised you to watch your cholesterol, you can enjoy 1 whole egg and add extra egg whites for volume and protein. You'll still get a satisfying meal without going overboard. It's about balance, not restriction. Mistake number 5, pairing eggs with the wrong foods. Here's a sneaky one. It's not always the egg that's the problem, it's what you eat with it. Bacon, sausage, white toast loaded with butter, that's a lot of saturated fat and sodium in one sitting. Instead, pair your eggs with fiber-rich sides, whole grain toast, avocado, sautéed spinach, or even some fresh fruit. That combination keeps your digestion smooth and your blood sugar stable. A viewer once shared that swapping bacon for sliced tomatoes made her breakfast lighter, and her doctor noticed better blood pressure readings. So yes, these swaps really work. Mistake number 6, forgetting portion control. It's easy to overdo it, especially when eggs are so quick and tasty. But remember, more isn't always better. 2 eggs per meal are usually enough for most adults. Eating too many can crowd out other important foods like veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. Think of eggs as part of the meal, not the whole meal. Add some colorful vegetables or a side of oats. That balance helps your body get all the nutrients it needs to stay strong. Mistake number 7, not paying attention to quality. Not all eggs are created equal. The nutrients in your eggs depend on what the hens were fed and how they were raised. Whenever possible, go for pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs. They have more vitamins and healthy fats, which support heart and brain health, especially important as we age. Yes, they cost a little more, but you're investing in your health. And really, that's worth it. So let's recap quickly. To keep eggs healthy and safe, cook them thoroughly, use less oil, store them properly, balance your yolk intake, pair them with the right foods, watch your portions, and choose better quality when you can. Eggs can be one of the best foods for older adults, full of protein, easy to digest, and great for maintaining muscle. But like many things in life, it's all about how you use them. A few smart choices can help you enjoy your eggs without worry and keep your mornings bright and healthy. Remember, your health isn't about cutting out everything you love. It's about small, thoughtful changes that add up to a stronger, happier you. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to join our community. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share simple, science-backed tips to help you stay healthy, active, and confident at any age. And if you know someone who still fries their eggs in half a stick of butter, share this video with them. It might just help them live a little longer and feel a lot better. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself, one healthy breakfast at a time.